This is 93.1 FM. This is Sompa 93.1 FM. This is Sompa 93.1 FM.
I'm for ya mama tia mama kwa bebra so mamuni ya maudo biso nsemo ya bobo na no pe yeba ne de babe somo nsem no so na poso eni se de ECOWAS mpanimfo no yes gina yo se kwan bia so ma sikura wie so mo de asogafo no ko Niger bonten so na Niger asogafo no ma je oman ne de aboso no o makwa akoje oman no de afiri wonum nsem wo mo meeting ne ba wie ye ne na yebehwe enkrata semu a ebefiri mu abato komisa ne mpanimfo so de ababetu gya se odonfo ye adomu a December bosumi a ye kwa korom ne da etoso dunkron en assemblyman abato no ebeba so na doma hineni ahemfo a ewo bono mantem no mu bono regional house of chiefs said ya to gya se Bank of Ghana mpanimfo ebe ka kire Ghana for so ma digabo ka he ne nto asomu eno nti bampanin na do danko akufo do o se Bank of Ghana mpanimfo no o se bibi de kire wunum abusiafo wei ene afoforo pinu a ene akekese ene se kase a ba bia wo bia no anope yeba na yede ababe somwo medi ede na ya bo amali bia bogabusiafo yenye brenda finsam no yenkumo ankasa mfam yede mo hyase ede afri ECOWAS amaman no mpanimfo bi meeting a ekoso won krapompere ntemo bema camp abonten so enro na yede to manim se ECOWAS amaman nyina emu asogafo mpanimfo ababe hia won krapompere ntemo a meeting ekoso ni nyina eyese omo ba be fadwene no mo asigina ye no mo atotontotoye ekwane on be fa so ede asogafo afri ECOWAS amaman ni nyina mu ede akọ Niger bonten so na Niger man no a asogafo agi aboso no omo akwakogi de afri wo nsam na enro na meeting ne hyase no penimpa wono na ECOWAS commission no wo director of political affairs peace and security ho nsensam ambassador Abdul Fattah Musa and watch se hwe wo be kama wiase nyina tiase wo be kama bibire mama mpenifo nyina tiase se omo asogafo pim gu hono a wo mo nyina ye krado etu a aye krado bombuo se kasio se edupro ni nyina ye krado a wosisika nyina tachire omo de asogafo no beko na omo manija asogafo no anyi kro ne moso ema we sori a na wo se asogafo 2x3 no makwa akọjo ma we aboso yetete wono mo sa ene bi hyase obokina Mali num ene Guinea se Niger fo na eduru omo so no yetete wo na asogafo asafatu o man foforo so no makwa akotu aban na to agu ambassador ne nsemu a wo de etudwa eni.
I mean, you could see determination, you could see unity of purpose among our military chiefs, the chiefs of defense staff, all very determined, and they are just putting the final touches to their operational plans and then get our troops ready. This is more or less a bit like a pledging. What is the meeting? Because the concept of operation is already ready. It's ready. All the factors have been taken into account. What are the potential obstacles? How to overcome them? All these were taken into account in the planning session, right? So this meeting is just to, refine what we have while preparing for possible intervention. And my interaction with the chiefs of defense staff, of course, of all the member states that are here, that they are all determined. When you tell them we are going to start marching tomorrow, then you give them advance notice, to defend. So we know when the military could go in.
For Ambassador Abdul Fattah Musa Manansoa enu akire ne yebusa ne se nipa pinua ena esre se asogafo na mode kono de emu abekwa kwa wiase no na akwa fanto kwa kese e de aba be fra West Africa countries ne nyina na de yi se mo de ne dada no chia wonum chese asam de ba fia nipa ne beka na koye soja se mo na de ne yakwa kwa jensem o ana se he sa asogafo no mugu Niger no aniam o ma ye de akire wonum no enya bini o omo de omo ba bi aduro no enya defa sem bi abio enya akrokro sem bi abio de aduro no de also omo kire omo se wonsem odene a bua na yebebum enti asogafo de omo de beko.
There are diplomatic overtures from ECOWAS, from other willing partners and others. We are giving diplomacy maximum opportunity, to succeed. What we are saying is that if that fails, there is this other option. and this is what we are doing, and we are not letting off, despite the fake news and then the misinformation. Has anybody read the communique of the African Union Peace and Security Council? I was there, participated, in it. What you are hearing, of course, when you have a situation like this, you are going to have different opinions. What matters is what comes out of the communique. So everybody should wait for the communique, and then you realize that the African Union Peace and Security Council supports all the measures being taken by ECOWAS.
Awusafo weye Ambassador Abdul Fattah Musa weye ECOWAS Commissioner Oshe Political Affairs, Peace and Security Hunsensem and yetene kan meeting no a womo no wankra pomponemante mo Bema Campa Bontenso no odonfo ya domo a ene dey na ebewie ye enti ECOWAS amama no womo ye makomako dunsia ECOWAS ku no mane nyina makomako 16 dunsia na emu 11 ena eba meeting bi ewo eyenkra pomponemantemo se ohye oman bi ete se Niger omo eka ho ade omo ho nkomo no mo ba bedie enti wonu ma bi okọ Burkina Faso abonten so a omo susu na sojafo atwetuo age oman ne de afiri ya nomfo nsem enti omo susu omo amma bi okọ Guinea so a omo susu sa sojafo atwetuo age oman no e de afiri eye timamufo ne nsem omo susu omo amma bi okọ Mali so asa enti enan esi nchen na chese aka eye be dumienu na emu dumienu no emu 11 eye na eba sa meeting we no Penny Adams bona yobi a ono so abene wo bambom na ono so kire se be bia duru no senke eto ye bo kakra ke no so bebo pa o.
I think even AU doesn't support this invasion. You see, it's a proxy war for you can say France and America. France is for now. Almost say the resources, a good year, they can one. So the almost free francophone countries. No, I say we should help them to continue to suppress the francophone countries. It's a proxy war. I think I'm taking shit now saying AU is not interested. And to do these things, you would have to require a certain permission, from the UN. Do we have that from the UN Council? Do we have a resolution from the UN Council back? We want.
For Penny Adams Bona and Nayete Kenyin Nina ECOWAS amama no emu asoja fo mpanimfo a ababehia won kran Bema Campa Bontenso na wo mo gina ye chese ade de eze de nya wie so ya fo de kwa no mbekọ ne mum kran on befa so akọ no enuane dodo sika de bema soja ne bia etuo no se ye person ye de bema wonum se ye AK47 eno ho nkomo na sese wo mo edie ene da kropoti a wo mo ebekọ ba bia wo befa ede ewura Niger man ni mu na ho nkomo na busuya ekoso yi ye to aso ne de mafre no so ye de makọ abato komisan mpanimfo atena ye na abato komisan de ababetu dwa so don for ye adomo a December bosumi ye kwa akọram ne de toso do nkono na assembly man abato no wono mo ehihye se ebeba so ma me Jane Mensa wono ene da Ghana abato komisan ya no ene de sansem ye tudwa enra
2023 district level elections, and this will be made available to the public shortly. As a commission, we encourage voters to take advantage of the voters registration exercise and register to vote. We also entreat the citizenry to participate actively in the district level elections, which will be held on the 19th of December 2023, as this is the surest way to ensuring development at the local level. Finally, I wish to state that this registration exercise will not be the sole registration exercise before the 2024 general election. It is our hope that with the passage of the draft CI on registration, we will institute an all-year-round registration exercise that is a continuous voters registration exercise in all our district offices nationwide.
Abzafo no chema me Jane Mensa so ede so se edin churchro no a eba bekoso no wa ebia fe no wadi 18 years wa also so bibinti emra na ye to aba 2020 no wantimi yankwanko to bi anase wantimi antwero wudi no se so mo sa so ba biem ama manfo akwa churchro mudi na okọ no akwa kuturo udi no a masa Ghana card o Ghana card nko a obi antimi nyine ndikodi agire mu mo obi a oni Ghana card a no apo ba bi atena.
We were keen to establish and uphold the integrity of the foundational document, which is the voters register. Hence our proposal to use the Ghana card as the sole document for identification of the person's citizenship as well as age. My experience from the 2020 registration exercise, ladies and gentlemen, showed that several minors and foreigners using the window of the Garanta system found their way onto our road. To rid the register of minors and foreigners in 2020, the Electoral Commission established the district registration review committees, which worked for several weeks to delete the names of minors and foreigners from the register. It took substantial time and effort to expunge the names of illegal persons from our road.
I was a former me Jane Mensa and Yetin in Kenya. Ningina efa eye edin churchra e basuo enimu ensam ye to aso na ye de makona na doma hene osagefo osiade yo agimambedu na tena ye na one na no ayemfo wo bono mantem no mo mekire bono regional house of chiefs enomde yatuma mpeni na nado danko akufo ado anim se Bank of Ghana mpenimfo ense bi omo ke kachire Ghana man no ensini yetirim we yeti ase a enye ye se Bank of Ghana se wakọ akodi dwa na dwa okokodi ye no waboka susuro na Bank of Ghana no soso no eye adwumade ama Ghana man na besine omo mekire ye se bi agene no so omo kokoto bi a omo toy no omo ton ne sei ye nunti am ya boka be 60 billion Ghana cedis ya Bank of Ghana mpenimfo tete wono mo a yentimi NCB bi mfanchire wunum osaje fo osi ade ayo agimambedu a otoso mienu edi nananom animanura enomde sansem yetuma mpeni na nado danko akufo ado anim se Ghana ma de hye yempeneto empene no abi a Bank of Ghana for no won si bibi mfanchire no sansem no a omo eke kanede esene Ghana fo tirimu a enyeye
Ghana on cherry be akwa hunyanyem ye kwaji sika IMF $3 billion. Sa $3 billion ya ye kwaji bre ya bre and son of first tranche oba second one cry ye bonfire so be do beba na mpaebo na ye guzu a ye hwesa aba na benya na obetimi ade aboye nyina ye hobra ade bi aba Ghana no kroni o ya yawe njina Bank of Ghana ye nin say isika krabra nyina no wono hwa so de mai oya be independent ade bia ni wo Ghana for abonofo ka ho we independent ne ma wani ni abonofo na Ghana for no ya de mai Bank of Ghana ya te ya baba ya da ba boka 60 billion Ghana no ya no tin ko bo boka 60 billion afi ba ko na ntie mienu asem de odene na ye gusu ye nyesa asem ho yanka nwie ye te ya ba Bank of Ghana Bosiana Yakobo na IMF no uche mutu mienu a Bank of Ghana ngwa no odi mu 250 million odi ba ko okosi dane abenini na jese be nse bi asinti ni e ba pa ne bayo me de mentiasie nana no krani ye mentiasie 250 million say ye de bro ayi regional house of chiefs and our regions wo Ghana say ye de $10 million a bra regional minister so here sapa boy and hobra think going to be by bibi mai e man nka the other regions then the Bank of Ghana on ngwa ultimate no some me si dane a hefisa na no krani ade we dia minim maka sabampa ho asama nka ene dem dem go bibi kura no be buku akamba no ba hu say any abre aboa na ka ni bra $250 million say ye dey here sabi omranti abebe ko school ba na be nya adwuma nyo ye dey say sika no to us any papim, Niempania bibi maba, and to be a bibi cassia, and mabe, and man for swama, and man bien coffee bim, bien quadomase, bien cosignane, bien cobrecum, bien conneca can one and to me more. The best Raman Pangini, Bank of Ghana on ye independent sir, on Friday, on the Bantina Kukum, the Bamacabi be papa be and tray, as I said, Yabon Joseph.
Azafo we eye osaje fo osiade yo agimambedu na doma hene ena yetene nke onu akro no a ene saso ye president ya woda bono Regional House of Chiefs so ano yeah to us you the more ndc amanyuku no mu asantema say mobeka hye nso enche bia ndc amanyuku no ye ntotoye e wa abato mpesua ahodo so a omoto aba eyi awura no mu a ebegina ediama party no e wo mpesua ahodo so na oba asantema say a aka mpesua be mienu ye wo so mokokoto so aba eyi wo mo ebegina de ndc amanyuku na premier bigem akonya ne de ndc amanyuku no asantema e ya dance so kwa abato mpesua so ene adanse formina and I'm so mentity say party in penning for yen to ye then your woman my fan crata epe MPD e was some person in you so when this amanyuku ni dim no o ma do so wonum I will say finiki ka wabi ani wo mo ho a na je so mama etu ani ne say for na kwakoto mo so aba Dr. Frank Amwako hene e ye twetwofo penny de man this amanyuku no e was antebantema say o chechire nsemo de kire
the 1 2 3 4 salary kakaka empese be ration ya kwa any mistakes to be a problem war and say as a part in the money say also nya botre na ye ni ye no nia ya ne sa be e wo sentiment no be empese wini enti ade betwintwa na mu betwintwa papa John Muhammad na mu a empese ya true boss ni nya attention e de man enti ho no there were few issues be best to resolve it. Once you resolve me na be you really are no unless you papa to aban ne fio and you better aban ni na be we this year and person the bibia be ko 2024 the room one in biafe and then the powder the shots your first January sa the kwa kusin knife December ne be declare ban finally no and na e ho and chiremu kakra nti in due course no e won mo process ya de beto saba no ti asantemantem ha o ha akufuado wanya de wadiga na fuhamo asantemantem adu wadiga na fuhamo wadi asante fuhamo titi na aha no so no disappoint ye kese ba
Dr. Frank Amwako hene eye chochofo penny demand this amanyuku no asantema say na ma me Christiana Amaransen so no eye obia wafan krata wa dance for mena baton pesu so say and this amanyuku na twa ni esi ayene for enya ne mugidi no momfa tumi ma no no onye akonya no emfa emfi lawyer Andrew Amwako asiama woye second deputy speaker of parliament onye akonya ne mfemfiri ne nsem no no so ede nsem sei eto yenim.
Election process, that's what we talk about, how we will be able to be strong and win the seat from the MPP. So it was normal. Looking at the people who are backing me and supporting me, I have confidence that I'm going to take it. The delegates, I will tell them that they should vote for someone they know, someone they've been with, someone who is ready to serve them, and someone who have the heart for people. So they should vote me.
Amzafo we ayema me Christiana Amaransen wo yobi a wafa eyenkrata e wa dance for me na baton pesu aso se NDC amanyuko na tua hene ene yesi ahene fo mfa tumi ma no na onko premier asbegwa akonya no e wo mudimu enyi akonya no emfemfiri lawyer Andrew Amwako asiama ensam on independent ya wo ye second deputy speaker of parliament brasbegwa fie monya akonya no emfa emfiri nsam ye to aso na ye ma konkra pumpure mantemo na aboso kan spare parts dealers no omo motonton engine nom ne ade e ka kire mampani na nado danko akufo ado se won kan che ne Bank of Ghana for no so musika bia ba bedi omo ho na so omo mpene to mpene no a ene ne kire ya omo entuatu musika mfama wu no omo kire se na no mampani na nado danko akufo ado a wo ye se bank bi wo keke bia boma gugu bi ene ade no omusika pim ena akwa Bank of Ghana for to enti so omo mpene to mpene no a ene ne kire yo muntuatu musika mfama wunum yera Benjamin Techiadoa wono enehwe ene amansan edin komo ema eye abuso kan spare parts dealers omo executives ni ade ena odesansemi etudwa
I can say o sisi o kwakwa banks no na banks ni bi wo ho abasa so o start in 2017 no ema ebi erudusu ye from 34 to 23 because of say okaso yes akin the website no na ba no ya we say banks ni dey 9 billion Ghana cedis it no oko parliament so oko for approval parliament man 25 billion Ghana cedis it na ka all this is Ghana 9 billion abcc banks na ka no dey Ethiopia ye moka parliament bi say na also dey 25 billion there ah yes every man ah na entwa yi nti amma and then no be and then your members 500 or musika akoka dwemu ono na yesi yebisa ban say yes when he find the scan go na scan so no o de court e scan musu a 5 million Ghana cedis e fi aboso kan ha akodi banks ni sem savings and loans and microfinance akodi omisem nti anopa we executives ni say ye fa to aban nim any president no otiso say on catch finance ministry ni say he find the scan akodi because me money aboso kan for so musika kemu dia on jisika na aboso kan for because you see America say ye nuanum bi wo papa ni wo ha omawu sika nti akoma yare ebi yare ebi adwuma say ebi akọ ekrase akọtena ekrase.
Observe way Abuso Kind Spare Parts Dealers Association executive members no na omo Edison sem ye to aban ni mu no ye gira we so na no pay and some eboabo no de be som no ye de mo asia na sorry ama ade acha bi adwumadi atoa so kuku na chinchin fidie ni de ma me systematic so na de court television so ye 74 penny ene asante ye boa Benedict ya da ma se ama mu munity ni hwa enya do medin e de na ya boa malibia boga.